This video is on the efficient frontier. So we want to understand why the efficient frontier is made up of maximally diversified portfolios. Suppose the investable asset universe consists of n assets. Investing in only a single asset is inefficient because holding a portfolio of assets eliminates asset-specific risks and earns therefore higher risk-adjusted expected returns. Looking at only two assets, we can always connect their mu-sigma coordinates via a connecting parabola. Doing that in a systematic way requires to seek portfolios that pay off the highest expected return for a given level of portfolio risk. As a result, one obtains portfolios which in the mu-sigma diagram build an upward-sloping concave frontier, which is called efficient frontier. A portfolio on the efficient frontier offers the maximum diversification benefit and exposes an investor to the least amount of risk for a particular expected target return. The furthest left efficient portfolio is called the global minimum variance portfolio. It's the portfolio of risky assets with the lowest possible volatility. Last not least, looking at the graph makes it obvious that a smart investor would always hold an efficient portfolio and never an inefficient one.